Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see a healthy homemade malt. For this, take around 10 almonds and 10 cashews. Fry them well. The almonds and cashews got fried well. We can transfer this into a mixie jar. Let this cool down completely, and by the time let us fry the other ingredients. 2 tablespoons of barley and 2 tablespoons of tapioca pearls, that is sabudana. The barley has to slightly change in color and the pearls will turn white. Until then you have to fry everything well. This is ready. We can take it out now and we can add this into the mixie jar along with the almonds and cashews. Once everything cools down, you have to grind this into a fine powder. In order to get a fine powder, you can also sieve this once. Let us transfer this into another bowl because we are going to add few more ingredients to this. Set this aside. Now take a pan, add half a cup of whole wheat flour. Fry this for a few minutes until it slightly changes its color. Here you can see the change of color. The flour has fried well. Now you can take it out. Add the fried flour into the grinded powder. I am going to add milk powder now. So before adding milk powder, make sure this is completely cooled. Add half a cup of milk powder and give a nice mix. So here our instant malt is ready. You can either mix this in milk or you can mix this in water itself. This malt will definitely serve as a healthy option for the store-bought one. If you want to add this to the milk, take 1 tablespoon of this powder. You can add any sweetener to this. I am going to add jaggery powder and of course the milk. The milk used here is already boiled. Do give a nice mix. Your milk is ready. If you do want this to be in a chocolate taste, we can add little cocoa powder into this. For half a cup of wheat flour and half a cup of milk powder, we can add around a quarter cup of cocoa powder. Add the cocoa powder little by little and give a nice mix, and if you want you can sieve everything together once. So our chocolate malt is also ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.